to my channel. My name is Irina Lyamshina. At first we need to make the background. I take the red color, light red color. Let's paint. Take the orange color and paint around. Take the yellow color. And now let's take the dark red color and make the dark strokes. Let's take the flat brush number 14, load up one edge of the brush with the orange color and other edge with the dark red color. Blend these colors on the palette and we will paint the petals like this. First strokes here for the petal. And step back from these strokes and paint the second part of the petal. You see, I saved some place between the strokes. Let's paint the second petal. Paint the first part. Stand back in the second one. So we can paint the different petals because we have the background. Like this. We can paint the petal like this. The first strokes, the first stroke is here, and the second you can paint like this. And the last two strokes we'll paint like this. Add a little bit yellow color on the brush. And add some strokes. Like this. You can add a little bit strokes here. And the yellow color. Let's take the small brush, number 1, take the yellow and a little bit white. Let's take the black color add some strokes here. Load up one edge of the brush with the green color and other edge with the yellow color. Blend these colors on the palette. Make some strokes here. Now add the dark red color. I will paint some strokes here. Now I take the flat brush number 14, load up one edge of the brush with the dark red color and other edge with the light green color. Blend these colors on the palette. And we will paint some leaves. We can add a little bit shadows. I take the angle brush number 12, load up the dark red color on the sharp edge. We'll make some shadows around the violet color. Maybe a little bit here.